Oh my gosh, this thing looks crazy. Welcome back to Field Trip. We are taking this show all the way. Which way is Poland? Is it that way or is it that way? We're taking it all the way to Poland. What we're gonna do for you guys is every Wednesday and Friday, starting right now, for the next 3 weeks, are all gonna be Polish adventures. Why Poland, you ask? A couple of reasons. Our friends over at Next Level Drift and the Drift Team Style Bangers in Poland invited me out to come drive one of their cars and to check out their drift culture. Did I mention that they actually took this car, put my livery on it, and basically made it what I'm calling the EUROSTALLIon? I'm talking the full factory 83 livery, checker flames going down the sides, Falcon sticker on the side, all the goodies. And the reason they built me that car is to come drive the biggest event that they throw every year, which is equivalent to Final Bout or Super D Matsuri out here. People come from all over Europe, even as far as Australia and places like that, to come to drive this event. And somehow the following weekend, Drift Masters GP actually invited us out to come see the professional side of drifting in Poland, Europe, which was absolutely amazing. So the first thing that we did there was meet up with the only armless drifter in the world. Then we check out the actual main event, Drift Masters GP. Inside of a stadium. I've never seen stadium drifting. They have fireworks, crazy driving, crazy event. And right after that, somehow we're lucky enough to hop on a private jet and head to Drift Shifters in Liverpool, Mad Mike's event. You're gonna have to wait every Wednesday and Friday to check those pieces out. But for now, let's just get the video started. First up, EUROSTALLIon. So we made it to Poland, Next Level Drift. These boys got me a car, but first, we're gonna spend way too much time making it look like my car. Woo-wee. What are you thinking, Brandon?
I'm jealous. This is gonna be cooler than the torque sound. It's lower than the torque sound.
Woo-wee. It's way lower.
As you can tell, this is a special build breakdown. We're not in the donut garage right now. We're in a completely different continent.
Welcome to Poland.
This guy is actually getting a special treat.
Next Level Drift and the Style Bangers, those guys put together an E36 and said, come to Poland and drive it. Yep. So we're here to drive it.
This is the man that built Hert, this car. Don Musk, that's not his real name though.
That's what we're calling him though. That's his Instagram handle, so we're gonna call him Don Musk.
They made a replica of the EUROSTALLIon FC livery that Ian Dillon did, Factory 83, and they put it on this E36 for Hert.
Let's just go, can I look at it again? Can I please?
What are your thoughts?
Is this real life? Are you guys sure you want me to drive this car?
Yes, you should drive it hard.
All right, so I'm gonna call this the EUROSTALLIon. And before I smash the EUROSTALLIon, Jacob, AKA Don Musk, is gonna tell us all about it. So let's talk about this thing. What do we got going on here? I've never seen this aero kit before.
Yes, this is bacon kit.
You call it the bacon kit?
Yes, bacon kit.
Ah, that's perfect. That is perfect. You make it yourself?
Yes, from the bottom.
And what kind of suspension are you running on this?
This is custom suspension made by Mice Customs.
Okay, okay. Yeah, that's
not bad.
That's insane.
Not bad.
That's insane. So you have to do something special to make it that low, or?
It's really hard.
Yeah.
This car don't have much traction.
Right.
But it's not much powerful car. It have 2 liters engine, 250 horsepower, and that's all.
It's super basic, oh my gosh, this thing looks crazy. This.
You don't see this anymore.
Yeah.
No one does this anymore.
All right, so basically, Mr. Don Musk, aka Jacob, aka BMW Daddy, he built this kit himself. He also set up the suspension, super custom. It's not off the shelf. I don't think you can go this low with anything with, no, not.
That's magic.
Yeah. What about this wing here?
Wing is made by Mus Customs too.
Oh, okay, so
We make all parts.
Is Musk Customs just you, or is it a whole?
Mainly me and some friends help me with this.
And you just do it for fun?
Yeah, it starts from fun, and now it's my company.
Did you see pizza?
Oh, damn! That's so sick. That's so sick. So this car is famous for being on a trailer on the highway and being towed by another BMW, and it actually lost control and flipped. Oh! This is the same car from that video.
I have this car almost 10 years.
So it got some knockoff seats, a nice cage. That cage is cool. I like the X right in the middle. That looks dope. Looks like, your basic drift car. Got some goodies back here too? Yeah.
Nothing special. This is tiered rear end, so you can smash it.
Yes, perfect.
No problem.
Perfect. So this car, how many times have you had to replace this chassis?
One time roof, rear end almost 3 times, front about 3 times maybe.
Yeah.
So it's have a long history.
Yeah, this car looks. I see it's been through its paces too.
Yeah, this was wall on the racing event. Sorry, but we don't have time to make this wheels gold.
Don't be sorry. This is
Dude over here.
this is beautiful. This is beautiful.
So I think now we should go in.
Yeah, this is crazy. Thank you.
No problem.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna be nice to her in the meanest way possible.
For me too.
Oh man, this is exciting. Poland for this crazy drift event. It's basically the Polish final bout or Super D if you want to compare it to anything stateside. It's slammed, it's painted nice, it has my livery on it with a little extra flavor for next level and stuff like that. It seems like a shred, so I'm ready to slap it in the third gear, chuck it, and try to hit some people that I don't know.
This is just the build breakdown on this car. If you want to see the rest of the coverage of this event, for the whole walk-arounds of all these other beautiful cars, keep an eye out for the bash bangers coming soon. That's the next part. We're in Poland for a week. We're doing multiple events, so we're gonna have probably 5 or 6 videos coming from this. So just keep an eye out. But for now,
That's